Hello everyone. So let's determine the number of water molecules in 3.24 grams. So if you have 3.24 grams of water, how many water molecules, H2O molecules inside this gram quantity? So we need two pieces of information. One is the molar mass of water. It is 18.0 grams per mole. And another piece of information, we need 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro number of molecules. So 1 mole contains 6.02 times 10 to the 23 number of molecules. First step is, let's convert 3.24 grams of water into number of moles. For that we need molar mass of water, 18.0 grams. So if you divide mass by its molar mass, you can get the number of moles. So here 3.24 grams divided by 18.0. How many 18.0s inside 3.24 grams? That is equal to 0.18 moles. Now number of molecules in 0.18 moles of water, we can use the second statement. 1 mole contains Avogadro number of molecules, then 0.18 contains how many molecules? So you need to multiply the Avogadro's number of molecules by 0.18 moles of water. Then the answer is 1.08 times 10 to the 23 water molecules inside 3.24 grams. The part 2 of this question is determine the number of hydrogen and oxygen atoms in 3.24 grams of water. So in the previous slide we discussed the number of moles of water H2O present inside 3.24 grams. So if we divide 3.24 by water molar mass 18.0, we can get 0.18 moles present. Now, number of hydrogen moles, number of H moles in 1 mole of H2O. So if you get one formula unit, 1 H2O mole, so it contains 2 moles of hydrogen and 1 mole of oxygen. So number of H moles in 1 mole of H2O then is equal to moles. Now let's calculate moles of hydrogen in 0.18 moles. If we get 1 mole, it contains 2. So if you get 0.18, it contains 2 times 0.18. So then the answer is 0.36 moles. 1 mole of H2O2, 2 times 0.18, 0.36. But we don't need moles in our question asked to calculate atoms, number of hydrogen atoms. So the statement is 1 mole of any substance contains the Avogadro number of atoms. So 1 mole contains the Avogadro number of atoms and 0.36 contains how many atoms? So 0.36 multiplied by the Avogadro number, the answer is 2.17 times 10 to the 23 hydrogen atoms. So third part of this question is determine the oxygen atoms. So the same method you can follow. The only difference here is 1 mole of H2O contains only 1 oxygen atom, 1 oxygen mole. So 0.18 moles of oxygen present inside 0.18 moles of H2O. Then you can multiply 0.18 times Avogadro's number of atoms is equal your answer for oxygen atoms in 3.24 grams. Thanks.